Did you know Instagram now has a Snapchat-like feature called Instants that can instantly send a selfie to your friends without even letting you preview it first? While some people may like it, many users are worried about accidentally sending photos they never meant to share. The worst part? The instant button appears right inside your Instagram messages, making accidental taps super easy. Thankfully, there's a way to hide the Instagram Instants button completely, and in this guide, I will show you exactly how to do it step by step. Here's how to hide Instagram Instants button. Open the Instagram app on your iPhone. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom navigation bar. Next, tap the hamburger button in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Content Preferences. Look for the option called Hide Instants in Inbox. Turn the toggle on. As soon as you enable this setting, the Instagram Instants button will disappear from your inbox screen. This helps prevent accidental photo sharing and gives you a cleaner messaging experience. And that's it. That's how you can hide the Instagram Instants button and avoid accidentally sending selfies on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.